Hey guys, Room Picker here for another lockpicking video, and today is my week 3 entry into the Mad Aussie Challenge. I apologize for how crazy my workbench looks, but I've had absolutely zero time to pick. We just got back from the hospital on Friday. We had baby Solomon finally, so he's been demanding a lot of my time and my wife's time, along with Rune Jr., so we've just been crazy. There's the bidding on the key. I decided to do a cutaway. One, because the bidding is kind of flat, which alludes to a little bit better and easier for the pick or snap gun, which is this week's challenge. Here is my snap gun. I ordered these ginormous springs for week 2, but I ended up getting it with regular springs, so I just used the big springs to make my snap gun. I was able to get it once on camera, but I chose the cutaway because I thought it'd be cool to see. Maybe if I can get it, it'd be cool to see. Oop. Don't know what pin's holding me up. Now it's not going to want to cooperate. I got it first try off camera. Got it. There we go. So, I mean, it works. Not the easiest, but hopefully that looked cool. I thought a cutaway might look kind of cool to try to see the pins jumping. So, that is my week 3 entry. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.